Hey, what's going on, guys? So if you haven't seen this before, this is my in-vehicle tablet setup. It is a Tab S8 Plus mounted in a 2015 GMC Sierra. It's a pretty simple design. It is just a couple of mounts that come from phone mounts extended down with magnets that adhere to the back of the tablet. If you want to see how I did that, look at my channel. I have a bunch of other videos on developing the mount, but today we're going to be talking about Android Auto. Okay, so I want to start by saying that I'm not totally sold on using Android Auto as opposed to just the tablet how it is, which is sort of the point of what I've done here, is made the icons nice and big and kind of made this more of a car-friendly experience. The one thing you might say is calls and texts, but what I've done is actually linked my Samsung tablet to my Samsung phone, so I can call and text through the tablet as well. Another area of contention for Android Auto would just be that the whole interface is simplified and just set up for the car from the start, which I understand, but I'm going to go ahead and open up Android Auto so you can see how it works. We're going to use an app called Head Unit Reloaded. I'm going to show you it first, and then I'll go through how I set it all up. So you click on Head Unit Reloaded, and Android Auto comes right up. I have to admit I was a little surprised at how well this works wirelessly. You got your music, you got your maps, you got both at the same time, you got all your apps over here, and it's a pretty good experience. You can see the map is a bit more sluggish than it would be on the tablet itself, but overall this is a pretty good experience. It's a way to sneak Android Auto into your car that's a bit older, and yeah, I'm a bit surprised. I'm a fan. I could see myself maybe using this. However, I do have my tablet set up sort of to emulate something like that. I got the big icons, I have, the big music, the big maps, everything works seamlessly, a lot faster than it does through Android Auto. But, I could see an argument for both sides. Also in this setup, so if I'm going for a longer drive, or if I just want to do it, you open up YouTube Music or any other app, you go to this screen, you click and hold, and then you can select another app to split. Now it's supposed to be side by side. Let's see if we can get that fixed. There we go. Okay, so you can have your Maps app on one side and your Music app on the other side. So you got navigation and music over here, which I think is a pretty good setup. Better, in my opinion, than what Android Auto offers. Big full screen on both sides, and you could switch this to any app you wanted. You could have Spotify over here, Maps over there, you could have Waze on one side and any other app on the other side. And I actually do have my tablet and my phone linked, so I can take phone calls through the tablet, which plays through the truck speakers, so you get the added benefit of being able to call and text through the tablet. Before I get in how to set up Android Auto and Head Unit Server Reloaded, I want to show you this other thing. It's sort of gimmicky, but I wish that it would become something. It's called Car Web Guru, and it is a car launcher purpose-built for tablets. Now, I think that this has some potential, but I don't know if this app isn't being updated anymore or what the deal is. But I mean, these are some pretty cool concepts. Just like a GPS widget I've been looking for. I would love to throw like a GPS speed widget somewhere on the home screen here. I think that would be pretty cool to have right here to monitor your speed. If you know of one, please let me know. I've been kind of scouring the App Store looking for one. I can't really find it. But this app hasn't built in. But again, I don't think that this app is being updated or getting any support anymore. But as you drive, this will show you driving and show the speed. All pretty cool concepts, but there's not really anything there. A lot of these are demo versions of these different skins or whatever you want to call them, and you can pay to get the full version, but I paid I think $1.99 for one just to try to see how it worked, and there's nothing there. It keeps popping up demo version. So if you download this app, I would, yep, there we go. I definitely wouldn't recommend trying to purchase anything because it's not going to work. But just like a cool little thing I wanted to show you. I thought there'd be more of this out there of people purpose building like almost full launchers for tablets, specifically for cars. I think that would be pretty cool. But okay, so back to Head Unit Reloaded and Android Auto. Okay, so to run Android Auto on your Android tablet, you're going to need an app called Head Unit Reloaded from the Play Store. When you first open it, it's going to look like this. Once you have it set up, it'll just go right into Android Auto. So from here, you're going to go to Settings, then you're going to go to Connectivity, and you're going to drop this menu down, and you're going to select Manually Connect to Android Auto Head Unit Server. Now we're going to go into your phone settings and go to Android Auto and have you actually start your own head unit server. Now keep in mind that you're going to have the hotspot on your phone and have your tablet connected to it, or be on the same Wi-Fi network for both devices. Okay, so first thing is you're going to turn on your phone's Wi-Fi hotspot. It's going to turn off your Wi-Fi connection. It's going to share your internet connection so that it can be picked up by the tablet. Next thing is you're going to go to Settings and you're going to search for Android Auto. Scroll down to the bottom, select Android Auto. From here, you go down to the bottom to the version number. You tap on the version number a certain number of times, just keep going until you get a prompt. Click OK. Now you've enabled developer options. Scroll back up to the top, 3 little dots in the top right. Mine says Stop Head Unit Server, yours will say Start Head Unit Server, and then you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you prefer the setup that I have going, or if you'd prefer to use Android Auto. And yeah, that's it.